Hi, my name is Bill Weems and I work at the University of Texas Health Science Center in Houston, Texas. I was born in Carlsbad, New Mexico, where I grew up on a farm. My wife and I have a son, a daughter, and 2 grandchildren. My interest in science and technology actually began at an early age on the farm, where I was surrounded by all sorts of interesting mechanical systems, such as tractors, combines, pumps, cotton gins, and airplanes for crop dusting. In addition to the mechanical systems, there were the farm animals and plants that my dad as a farmer bred and grew. My school experience during the 1950s and early 60s further fueled my interest in scientific puzzles. During this period, people were beginning to systematically explore the poles, developing nuclear-powered submarines that allowed people to travel under the seas for months, learning about DNA, beginning to experiment with lasers, and building rockets to launch satellites and ride into space. Science was a major focus in the daily news and in school projects. When it came time to leave for college, there was no doubt in my mind that I wanted to study science. While taking various university courses, I found physiology, the study of living systems, to be particularly interesting, in part because research in this area often involves working with both living systems and the development of technological tools. I completed graduate work in physiology and biophysics and have since had many interesting experiences as a scientist. These include participating in an oceanographic expedition to study how animals live several miles deep in the ocean in the extremely high pressure and cold environment, studying at the Mayo Clinic how nerves communicate and control the gastrointestinal system, and conducting research as a faculty member at the UT Houston Medical School into how the intestine produces the movements required to process and digest food. Because of the complexity associated with living systems, my research progressively led more and more to the development and use of computer systems to conduct physiological research and study living systems. This work over the years has resulted in my becoming the Assistant Vice President for Academic Computing at the Health Science Center, where we work with information technology to further research and scientific education.